they didn't put these bags out there? It's just me. What's happening? Excuse me. Gotta get this paint color matched. I wonder if there's an app for it. Just get black, look like semi-gloss. No, that's like eggshell. Oh, maybe I can use this. Yep, here we go. Oh, got it. Match this color. Yeah. Energy on 1,000. Anyway, give me 2 of those. Yeah. It's 2. You got them? You got 2? You got 2? Hold them. Let's roll. Make sure this.
Paint time.
Y'all ready to go paint?
I'm ready to paint. Since we started painting at 6 years old.
Oh, okay. What he doing? David, you ready? Let's roll. Let's go paint.
Paint the bathroom's disgusting.
I'm just gonna paint these parts. The part that's brown. All that. Now open these. Oh, open the door from the bottom. Bottom?
This?
Yeah. No, from the bottom. There you go. Yeah, get your brush. Alright. Now open the other one. Alright, there you go. Make sure when you do it, you don't want to get no paint on the floor. So look, watch, pay attention. Do like this. And you wipe it off like that. And then look. Like that.
How about me?
You gonna do it. I got your brush. Hold on.
Wait,
Just
you
showing
have
you.
my brush?
Yeah, well, I got one of you guys' brushes.
This is mine. Then I can do the rest.
See how easy that is? Whoop.
Let me try.
Okay. Do it like this.
That's easy.
Come on. Some
Oh,
more.
like that?
Right there too.
That sounds easy now.
Don't get it on your clothes.
Or on the stuff that is black. The paint smells nasty.
No, so hurry up.
It's like this paint's chemical.
Okay, that one's done.
This one?
Yeah.
How is this? This one?
No, wait. No, don't worry about that. Just do the edge, like I told you. Make sure it's smooth. Yeah. No, like this. Make it smooth. And like this, make it smooth.
I knew that.
Smooth, like that. One stroke. Woo.
There, that's how you do it. Or maybe it's gonna be hard.
Got it? What's up? What's that? Oh,
Yeah, liquid nails and glue that I bought this morning.
okay. I'm about to zell it to you.
So you said the edges?
You already did that, so good. Do that right there.
That doesn't scare me.
Good. You're a boss.
It's just annoying. This one's not black enough. Is it good?
Why is this moving? Yeah, I think it's good. Oh, I forgot the mirror. I gotta get a mirror or a file cabinet. And I need a bulb.
Done.
I need a bulb for that. Okay, let me see. Watch out. Both of y'all move. Let me see that, Noah. Thank you.
That did better than Noah.
No, didn't you? I did good. Cool. In a minute. This is how you wrap your brushes so they don't dry out. Okay. Professional.
¿Qué pasó, hijo? ¿Cuánto tomas?
Cut my head off, man. Check this out. I wrote this poem because everybody should know a little bit about my past. I was a street person in prison and da 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 da. But anyway, I wrote this poem in prison in 2010, and it says, "The concrete jungle, the concrete jungle, where anything goes and the strongest survive. Living in sin is how you stay alive. How ironic to be demonic, you become iconic in the concrete jungle. Laughter hides tears, anger and violence hide fears. Lost in a world where everything wrong is right, and the calmest storm is when you sleep at night. But even then, the whispers of pain flow through the brain and become a melody of pleasure. Letters, visits, and phone calls are the jungle's treasures in the concrete jungle. Money orders, snacks, and soaps decide your worth. Nobodies become somebodies on the jungle's turf. Friends become foes. Reality hits with the hardest of blows. Love is blind for those doing time, and broken promises build hope. Psychotropic meds clear our heads and help us to cope in the concrete jungle. Squares become guards. Guards become bullies with the stroke of a pen. Gangsters become snitches. Snitches become when you enter the pen. With a transition you go through when your heart is not true blue and you run with a crowd and pretend. The jungle has toys to help separate the men from the boys when the sun reaches its peak. And men do become boys when their actions came back what they speak in the concrete jungle."
So that's a poem or a rap?
A poem. I wrote that. I wasn't trying to.
Why you ain't writing no more? That was pretty dope.
Yeah, but they gotta catch the people. The jungle has toys to help separate the men from the boys when the sun reaches its peak, when it get hot up in there.
Did you have any toys?
I caught a 5 to 10 in there.
Oh, damn. While in there?
Yeah, while in the joint. I was 18.
Hello, can I get freedom?
Oh, one second. What you
Guys
want?
was trying that P. Diddy shit.
Can't stop. Won't stop.
For real. I wasn't going out like that. I want a hash brown. Watch this. Hold on. Let me get out.
Who's the buyer, him or you?
He the buyer.
He's the buyer?
I just be videos. Come on, let me see what you talking about. He eating this food. Let me see.
Get on the side with the money.
Okay, yeah.
About
Get a good.
13 houses with me. Crockett.
How much is it?
20. You get 30 bottles.
I want it.
All right. You want 2?
Oh, hold
Well,
on.
I ain't got no cash on
I
me.
got the app. You got cash app, man?
Oh,
Zelle?
I got Zelle and cash on there.
You can do the Zelle and the cash. You can cash app it to me.
Hey,
Hold
clean
on,
up.
hold on. What is it? Man, you know how long I've been trying to get that off?
Just 2 spoons. Ready?
You
ready
did
to
do
cash app it?
You did.
Give me a card.
It's too cold. Yeah, I'm with you. It's too cold to be out here talking about what it do. You see what it do, right? That's what he said.
Making sure that is what it is. You know what I mean?
I sell 6,000 of these every month for 12 years.
Yeah, what's on here? Are these bags heavy or something? Oh, no, they ain't even heavy. Yeah, I had to put them out here Monday. That's cool. Magnifico. Damn, that's what I forgot.
You brothers be doing their thing.
I gotta go get the what you call it?
What?
That strip. I forgot that piece of wood to go right there.
What we doing?
Damn, I gotta go back to Home Depot, I guess.
Let's go.
So I need this piece of wood, 4 inches, and I need the piece for the bottom.
Hey, you remember that? We walked down, you said I ain't buying no more houses in Detroit. They took everything out of the bag. You were so mad. Oh, and then we walked in there, somebody was in there. I thought we was going to jail that day. I was like, oh. Remember the guy was upstairs at work, and we walked in. And,
He was
he was really, oh, man.
Oh yeah, no leaks? No. Oh yeah, sweet. No leaks. Hey, I might buy some chrome spray paint for this.
Chrome?
Chrome. I think chrome will look good. You don't think so? Or gold. I ain't see the gold. Yeah, I'm gonna do gold. Nah, gold might be too much.
You need a switch cover, a double.
Those don't work?
No, the cover.
Oh, the cover. Okay, I got you. I might do gold. What you think? Gold to go with this? The knobs?
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Gold. Okay, yeah. I need 8 feet though. Where is the tape measure?
I don't know. I just happen to find my phone. I don't have one on. So.
He brought the baby boy out. You hear me? I got it. 8 feet. You don't even go to 8 feet. What's that? That's crazy. What's that?
It's 6.
Go 2 more.
All right, hold on. Stop right here.
I did stop. Just put your finger there. Put a mark in it.
Right there.
That's 2 feet? Or is that 1 foot?
Brother,
What's up?
I can count 1 to 2.
I'm just saying, nigga, I'm saying. You look, that didn't look.
I'm a mathematician.
Alright, right here.
Are you prepared now? Hold on.
Right here. I got it.
Where's it at?
Click. No. Right
I
here.
just want to mark it.
I already marked it right here.
That's not 8
I
feet.
pulled it. Yes, I did. What you talking about? Right here. You can cut right there. Make sure it's crisp. Get down the line, bro.
You got me sawing again.
Bro, come on. God damn. You supposed to be my homeboy. You gonna charge me for everything?
No.
There we go. My man. How much was that? How much you want for that?
A bag of Skittles.
This nigga keep eating Skittles. Them Skittles ain't good for you, bro.
That's about 2 feet right there. That's about 2 feet. A little bit extra. But this is. Where's the other wood? We got it. Let's go.
Woo! Okay.
Take all this too. Black
Yeah, and that, the tile over there too. Man, you can handle all that? Straight in? Strong.
One at a time.
Okay. There you go. I'm about to spray paint this bad boy. Yeah, that's close enough. About to spray paint this gold.
You about to do it?
Yeah, I can do that. I'm an artist. What you mean?
A lot of women get comfortable with not dealing with.
Why you looking at me like that? Nigga look like, nigga, you know what you doing? Yeah.
That's just saying.
Spray paint. How hard could that be? But I'm wondering, should I? Well, this ain't nothing but a vent cover. This gotta be. This a filter rather. This gotta be changed out. But I'm gonna paint that too. No big deal.
Anything else coming here besides the towels, the tape, and this?
I think that's it. No, it's one more box of tile.
Where? It's
It's in here somewhere. Gotta redo that out there.
gotta
Somewhere.
do that over.
Yeah, he said do it over. Do it over. I just gotta put more.
Big ass job right there.
I see. Don't be talking junk. The spray paint usually dry.
And then in the other garage.
You know what? I might just bring it in here to dry. Okay. Yeah, I'll probably just bring it in the kitchen because I'm about to say
Order
that.
away.
Yeah, odor, it's gonna stink.
Huh?
You said what?
I was just gonna keep the odor away. But it don't matter to me. I'm gonna leave.
Yeah, I don't want to get it on the floor. I would just put it right here on this bucket. There you go. Now listen.
I just want to see if it.
You still working on it.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's gonna take you 30 minutes. 30 minutes to get that one screw out.
If we had a Phillips, I
And your phone is on.
What? My phone.
Yeah, that mother's gonna be dead.
Oh shit.
So boom, we got about 350 here. Okay.
He's like
Doing some work. I'll never see this again. Let me get that on video. See how fast that was? You talking about a hand screwdriver. You would still been doing it.
There you go.
They just gotta go
I take
over
them. I take
right
them
here.
big shacks.
I don't know what
What the new one's at?
Is these the ones in your car?
No, don't make them clips for the sink. Where that box at? That just opened.
There should be a white little box in all of it. What's at the other end?
Hey, oh, Mr.
Yeah, and you
Hey,
know.
let me go do that while we right here right now. So
I thought you just said you wanted your homeboy to do it. Damn.
Is this filming right now?
Yeah. Yeah, you done turned him on.
Oh, man.
You done turned up. Damn, you done changed on me that quick. You need me to hold it? Are you good?
Get my man, get that money.
Don't stab me though. But yeah, you need that. See, your drill ain't got the little thing that slide over to keep the thing straight. You got that cheap drill. Yeah, nigga, you gonna be here a while. I'm gonna run out of video. You want me to hold it, man? Nah, you gonna stab me. I'll let you figure that out.
Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah. Yeah.
He trying to do it the weird way.
Yeah, I'm gonna take care of. Yeah.
Important phone call.
Hello.
What are you doing? You ain't even got it in the thing yet.
Let me handle this.
And it's too far close in. You should be using a nail for that. You should be using a nail for that just to get the hole. That's why your shit crooked.
It's not gonna matter. I'm just putting a hole in it so it'd be easier to drill, bro.
Look,
Let me handle it. You know what I'm saying?
I want to see what you can handle.
Now watch how easy he put it in. Cause he was over there stuttering.
You can do it. Put your back in.
But no, I done put something up before too. No, when I got
Man,
time.
these Skittles good as hell. Okay. Hey, show that pose, that flex you just did when you said you ain't got no super glue. Hey, do that again. Hey, do it one more time. How you swell up? Oh my God. This guy is, but you did a good job hanging them down. You did a good job. Amigo over here, he doing, look at this, man. You sitting down there doing your thing. That look good.
It was covered for
All right, I'm out.
It's still wet.